Hey kids, do you know what carbon monoxide is?
Well, it's a colorless, odorless, toxic, flammable gas formed by incomplete combustion of carbon. Now, isn't that fun?
It can also be really dangerous, too.
Inhaling it can cause dizziness and nausea and even death.
Dang, these kids shows are getting kind of harsh, don't you think?
I know, right? Back in my day, we had Mickey Mouse, Winnie the Pooh, and Barney.
Right, teaching us things about like friendship, shapes, and colors.
Exactly. But that audio clip is exactly what we're talking about today.
Well, do you guys want to know something? I don't think we need to have all these precautions. It's just too dang much.
Now, hold on, Madeline. We all need to protect ourselves from the dangers of this world. Wash your dang hands. Take your vitamins. Drink your ding dang juice.
Yeah, like it's all chill to be mellow or whatever, but like protect yourself, you know?
But it just doesn't make any sense.
But it does make sense. You have to think of all the consequences.
Like the fact that you're kind of getting choked on a cellular level, like that's totally not mellow. Not to be alarmist or anything, but you need a carbon monoxide detector.
Yeah, Madeline, you have to like consider how it can not only endanger yourself, but all life around you. And don't you have a cat?
Yeah, she does have a cat. It was like black and white.
No, it was like bluish gray or something.
Hey, I'm getting kind of dizzy over here.
You're right. I only saw a picture of it on Facebook. Boom, boom.
Oh my God, I love cats. But we're kind of getting off track.
Yeah, you're right.
So, do you get it now, Madeline?
Madeline?
Madeline. Carbon monoxide.
Carbon
Carbon
monoxide.
monoxide.